Mohammed, Mohammed, RASUL ALLAH. When the whole world feels divided and the nights are filled with fear, your mercy still unites the hearts and brings the distant near. You taught kindness through the darkness and love beyond the pain, and every broken soul on earth still calls your name again. One voice, one heart, one light tonight.
Mohammed, RASUL ALLAH.
Millions singing through the night.
Mohammed, RASUL ALLAH.
You still lead our hearts to light, and every soul across the world still rises when we sing your name. Different colors, different languages, but our tears still feel the same. And every heart searching for peace still finds comfort in your name. When the darkness fills the cities and hope feels far away, your light still lives inside our hearts and guides us through the pain. If the whole